Welcome to the PowerSpeakingPro channel. This is where I give you tips to help you improve your speaking and communication skills. Hi, my name is George Monat, and glad to have you aboard. Today's video is about beginning in the middle. That's right, don't begin at the beginning, but begin in the middle. Oftentimes when we practice, we start our speech at the beginning. And we try it many times, and what happens is we've worked on the beginning quite a bit, but we never quite get to the middle. We tend to be good at the end, because that's the last thing we remember. But what about that whole middle section? That is why I suggest you start your practice in the middle of your speech. That way you give the middle of your speech the same amount of practice that you give your speech at the beginning and at the end. So try this. Begin in the middle. And then when you do put your speech together from beginning, middle, and end, you will see that you have equal amount of practice on each one of the sections. And your speech will come out much better. You won't have a weakness in the soft spot in the middle because you would have practiced it enough. So next time you begin starting your speech, begin in the middle. Thank you for watching, and look for other speeches to improve your speaking ability in this channel.